Hi, my name is Leanna Moore, and I'm the fifth grade teacher here at Altaloma Christian School. Teaching in fifth grade is probably one of the highlights of my life. It's my favorite grade to be in, but also to teach. We do a lot of fun things in fifth grade. We learn American history, we strengthen our writing skills, and we sharpen our math skills. Fifth grade is an important year because we get to sharpen our skills for middle school. We get to learn how to organize our materials and be able to set those foundational skills to be successful in middle school, high school, and beyond. We also do a thing called Eagle Entrepreneur Day. It's a whole business plan for students to be able to use their classroom money to create their own businesses. There's another video about that, but it's so cool and the kids love it. So ever since March of 2020, it has been a whole different world in education and the learning process for these kids. But it's been so amazing to see these kids grow and learn in a whole new way and be able to adapt in whatever new format we give them. And it's just amazing to see how resilient they are and how excited they are for just being able to learn. May the force be with you, and I hope to see you soon.